Ah! Hello there. I'm Paul. I am a blue parrot. Who are you guys? Nice to meet you all. And this place looks kind of weird, but pretty beautiful. Ah! What's that spinning thing over there? A magic windmill? Oh, that's really cool. A magical event? That's really great. Can I join you guys to see a magical event? Ah! Yay! This is gonna be fun. Hey guys, I think I could hear something. Wow, that's really cool. Ah! That was amazing. Hey, Doug, why is the windmill stopping? Oh, okay. And I think it's time for me to fly home. So, see you later, guys.